Hi everyone! Summer calls for ice cream, so today I'm going to show you how I make the tastiest and creamiest ice cream ever. You won't believe how simple and easy it is to make. It's done in just a few minutes and it's ready for the freezer. And of course, today I chose a flavor that tastes just like summer vacation: chocolate. I'm sure you love it so much, you're going to share the recipe with everyone you know. And to start making this delicious ice cream, I put 2 cups of cold, heavy whipping cream in the mixing bowl. You may use any brand you like. I use the store brand. Now, I'm going to beat it. Okay, it's all done. I beat it for 4 minutes on medium speed, and I'm going to show you how it is now. The consistency of it. It's like this, firm but light. The first time I made this ice cream, I used a hand mixer and it took 15 minutes on low speed. Now I'm going to add 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, 2 cups of whole milk, and 1 cup of 100% cocoa powder. Now I just have to mix it with a wire whisk. There we go. If you want it rich, chocolatey, and sweeter, you may add a half a cup of cocoa powder and a half a cup of Nesquick chocolate powder. This is the time you can add whatever you want to your chocolate ice cream. You may add chocolate chips. You may add your favorite candy bar cut up into pieces. My favorite candy bar is Reese's peanut butter cups. And they have these little minis unwrapped. They're little pieces like this, but they're still too big to go in my ice cream. So I'm going to cut them into smaller pieces. So I'm using about 15 pieces in here that I cut up into quarters, halves, all kinds of sizes. I'm going to mix it in. You may also shave chocolate pieces in there. All the possibilities. You can add M&Ms, favorite candy bar, and the ice cream is ready. Isn't that easy? There you go. Now I just have to pour it in a 2.5 quart Pyrex that is freezer safe. I'll place a link of it in the description. It's 3 of them and I love them. I always use them. You may put in individual containers as well. As long as they're freezer safe, it'll be just fine. It'll be spectacular. Look how creamy and so easy, is it not? Smooth the top and it's ready to go into the freezer. The ice cream was in the freezer for 4 hours. Look at that. How awesome, creamy it is. Since I started making this ice cream, I never went to the store to buy ice cream again. I'm going to put in this little container. It could be in the freezer for another hour because the center is still a little soft, but I can't wait. I just have to eat it now. I think I'm going to have 3 scoops. Because I really, really like this one. Delicious. Here we go. What do you think? I'm going to add a little shaved chocolate to the top. I used this part of the grater, small part. And I'm going to dig in. Look at this. Look at that. This is an awesome ice cream, everybody. Everything homemade, right? I like it a little melted too anyway. So here we go. This is truly a delicious ice cream. Perfect to make it with the kids, and it's just wonderful. It's melting a little bit because I couldn't wait, but that's just me. And when you do freeze it more, and it's a little too hard to scoop it up, leave it out of the freezer for a little while. like 10 minutes or so until you're able to scoop it. Ooh, wonderful. Totally worth it. If you like this ice cream recipe, let me know what flavor you'd like to see me make next. I might even make an ice cream series. Thank you for watching. Mmm.